Hello. In this video, I want to show you how to install WordPress on your DreamHost hosting. Um, Once you sign up to DreamHost, you'll get some information to log in, and you'll go here to paneldreamhost.com, and with your email and password, you'll sign in. Okay, so here, in order to set up WordPress, you need a domain. So we'll create a subdomain here. Click on the left here, Domains, Manage Domains, and we'll click Add Hosting to a domain subdomain. And we'll do test site. I usually like to leave it alone so that www test site works, and without the three W's it works as well. So we're going to create a new user, and you want to place your user in a folder, your site in a folder. This used to autofill itself before. I don't know why it doesn't do it anymore. But you should just name it the same as your domain. And leave the PHP mode that it recommends, and click here down here on fully host this domain. Okay, so here DreamHost will tell you that in a few minutes you'll be all set with that, and gives you name servers. If this was a main domain, you wouldn't have to go to your registrar and put that in there for them. But since this is a subdomain, you don't have to do that. Before we create WordPress is as simple as going here on the left to WordPress and learn more and install. But you have an option to create your own database before. If you want to name it something specific, then you can go ahead and create this and fill this out and create your own database information there. But I'm going to let WordPress, the installer, do that for me. Learn more and install, and here you select the domain you just created. Automatically create database. Deluxe install, I don't want that. Install WP website builder. I've never tried the DreamHost website builder. Maybe it's fun, I don't know, but I usually uncheck that as well. So let's go ahead and install it. Now it tells you success, but it'll take about 3 or 5 minutes for it to send you an email, and that email will get the option to click on a link to reset your password. Okay, so once you've got that email from DreamHost installer, we'll click here. Here it gives you your username, but it'll also be the email that you have set up on DreamHost. And you can click on this link to reset the password. Let's copy that and copy it in somewhere where I can find it later, and then reset password. Okay, let's log in. Normally I try to use the login, the username, but this might not work. Let's take the password. Okay, it tells me cookies are blocked. I don't know if this is a bug from WordPress, but it happens to me every time. So basically you just use the email and the password. And it'll let you in. Okay, so now you have your site. Here's your dashboard, and you can view your site by going here to the name of the site, visit site, and you'll see that you've got your theme 2020 and you're all set to go with your website and DreamHost. Okay, I hope this helped.